I'll show you how you can cancel your DHGate order. So from the DHGate.com here, your official website. Now on here, you want to make sure you're logged in. On your login section here, you want to go ahead and tap on this. Once you tap on this, you want to go ahead and tap on my orders. Once you tap on my orders, you can go ahead and find it here, my orders. On my orders, you can see it'll put you into this new website here. Now, on here, this is where you will see the products you have ordered. I'm going to guide you through with pictures now. So, for example, here I have an item being processed, a burgundy long body wave lace wig. I want to go ahead and cancel the order. You can go to the awaiting shipment tab, and then you can tap on the blue button there to cancel the order. Once you tap on cancel the order, you can see this is what it will look like. Again, you can tap on cancel order. Once you tap on cancel order, you'll see a pop-up like this that'll appear. Are you sure you want to cancel this order? You want to go ahead and press on yes. Once you press on yes, you can see the order has now been successfully canceled.